Hello to everyone who's watching. My name is Gijs, and for our marketing strategic marketing assignment, we chose the company Swapfiets. For my individual marketing collateral, I decided to make an Instagram post using AI. So for the first prompt, I used OpenAI ChatGPT, and I asked the AI to create a short, engaging Instagram post for Swapfiets e-bike subscription. The subscription is something we highlighted in our report that we want to promote more, and the target audience is urban students and young professionals. I asked ChatGPT to highlight benefits like affordability, convenience, sustainability, and hassle-free bike maintenance, and of course use an upbeat and modern tone, and then end with a strong call to arms. So what it has created is what you see in front of you. So it starts off with ride electric, stress free. So that's a good opening. A few smileys added too. It's affordable, convenient, sustainable, hassle free. So everything I have asked. No stress, just smooth, effortless rides. So that's a good close. And of course, subscribe today and swap the struggle for speed and some hashtags. Well, this was the first prompt, so it's a bit bland. So that's why we're going to my second prompt. And I asked ChatGPT to please include that an advantage is that electric bikes are for all ages instead of just a regular bike, which can be very tiring. Also, I wanted it to add that it is a faster way or method of getting around Dutch cities and way faster than public transport as well. So that's what it added to the text for my Instagram post. Effortless, fast, and always ready. And then start off why struggle with a regular bike when you can ride an electric bike? Of course, with Swapfiets e-bike subscription. And then it added a few different headers than last time. So it says no more tired legs. E-bikes are for everyone. What I wanted to change, of course, way faster than public transport. Also a thing I wanted to change and that it has put in pretty good. And affordable and hassle-free repairs. That's the same as last one. And sustainable and super convenient. Also same as last one. It closes off with ditch delays, skip the sweat, and cruise through the city with ease. Subscribe today and swap the struggle for speed. That's a new one, the last sentence. And also, again, the hashtags to make it appear more on Instagram, of course. Then, for my third and last prompt for the text of my Instagram post, I asked also emphasize that public transport is expensive, add that a new e-bike can be very expensive and that a Swapfiets e-bike is only 60 euros per month, so way cheaper. And there is a possibility of an upgrade of 7 gear shifts for only 5 euros extra per month. So some additional information and also emphasizing that an e-bike is in general, if you want to buy a new one, very expensive, and this is of course a way better option. So we start off with faster, cheaper, always ready. Why pay for expensive public transport when you can get a ride electric for 60 euros a month? What I wanted to add, of course, no more tired legs. Get that from the last one. Way faster and cheaper than public transport. Also from the last one. This is what it added. A brand new e-bike, super expensive. Swapfiets, just 6 euros a month. Good line, I think so. And upgrade to 7 gears for 5 euros extra a month is also new. And then again, hassle-free and sustainable repairs. We've got you covered, of course. Ditch delays, save money, cruise through the city with ease, also from the last one. And of course, at the end, subscribe today, the call to arms or call to action. So, of course, it's an Instagram post, so I just couldn't only use ChatGPT to make a text. We also need to add a picture, of course, to make it to complete the Instagram post. So the first thing I asked is also in a ChatGPT to generate an Instagram ad image for a sustainable e-bike subscription service. The image should show a young professional riding a stylish e-bike in an urban setting. Well, that's of course our customer persona. So that's what that's based on. Focus on modern, eco-friendly transportation. So it was not good, I think. So I wanted to make another adjustment, and that was it should be in a Dutch city, of course, and on a Swapfiets, because that wasn't on the last picture. And then for the third one, I said add more Swapfiets logos, because of course the more logos, the better the marketing. So logo on the van, logo on the bike, logo on the sign, and yeah, way better in my opinion. And at the last slide, we have the end product. So the picture with all the logos and text will go underneath in the Instagram post, updated 3 times. So this was by far the best option and would make a great Instagram post for Swapfiets. Thank you and bye.